This barn never had an upper deck, so I decided to put one in. So what I did was I pulled up the wooden floor from the center bay, and come to find out the wooden floor was about 10 inches wide and about 2.5 inches thick, which was perfect for using those boards as supports for the floor. See here, I got a guy helping me put up the joists. So what I did was I bought some industrial decking. It was 26 foot 6 inches long, and above the center bay you can see I cut a hole in the side of the barn just under the eaves, and using some staging I picked up the sheets of the decking, slid them up through that little slot, and got them setting on top of the floor joists, which is now the ceiling joists. And then I was able to maneuver them around and then screw it down to create a deck. Now that industrial decking, it was good for 50 pounds per square foot, the ceiling joists that I had, which 50 pounds to the foot is good enough. Well, this is the unfinished upstairs. It was going to have insulation on the floor. It was going to have new siding. However, it didn't end up that way. So, that's the way it is right now.